Join us on our first 28-mile leg of the Angles Way.
We start our journey in the historic fishing town of Great Yarmouth.
Following the River Yar, we cross the Haven Bridge and work our way through to Cobden Island.
Along the side of the estuary, we walk adjacent to Braden Water and along to the Roman fort of Borough Castle.
From here, we head towards Fritton Woods and through Somerleyton and ending in Oulton Broad.
Turbulent waters of the Yare.
The Angles Way is a long-distance footpath running through the whole of East Anglia.
In the 1980s, it was decided to join many pre-existing footpaths with the addition of some new routes to form the Angles Way as it is known today.
Clocking in at around 97 miles, the Angles Way starts at Great Yarmouth and ends in Thetford.
The footpath mostly follows the old trade route of the River Waveney and the Little Ouse. Together these form the boundary between Norfolk and Suffolk.
The footpath meanders through what could be described some of the most picturesque views of East Anglia.
So today we're walking along the Angles Way. It's a journey we've been wanting to do for a good while. And basically, we started at Yarmouth station, train station, and we followed the route along the Yare. And we've just come to kind of a midway, halfway point. We've walked about 6 kilometres already. Just going to stop and have a cup of tea and stuff. And then we're looking to walk maybe to about Fritton today, and then we're going to do an overnight, and then hopefully walk a bit further, maybe into Oulton Broad, or Somerleyton area tomorrow. So we'll see how far we get. But it's a gorgeous day.
A nice little shot. So we've started our walk today in Yarmouth, and we've followed, and this is the original estuary, not today, so it's not accurate as to what we have today. We're currently here, and we're going to head around following the River Waveney. The white building you see there is the most isolated pub in the UK, I believe, and it's only accessible by train and foot and boat.
What's it called?
It's the Burnie Arms.
Cool.
So we just have a picture of the map and then just draw a line on it. This sort of route. So as it just so happens, the footpath has been closed due to mooring repairs. So we're going to do a small detour into the town of Belton and then back round, pick it up, hopefully closer to the river. So
Hopefully it's not too far. The finally made it to Fritton Woods. We had a massive detour through Belton, which was basically just walking on normal roads. So it was a bit boring and you start feeling the weight of your bag a lot more. But yeah, we're back in the woods, so yeah, it's loads nicer. And yeah, we're gonna either keep walking, or if we find a suitable spot, we'll find some kind of camp type scenario. But still kind of just playing it by ear at the moment.
Kettle's on.
Can't say I've ever actually seen one in a nest before.
Not like that. You just curl straight back up. So the river really.
Yeah, you do get a lot of walkers and that
Yeah,
sort
that's
of in
what
here. Yeah, I suppose there's a footpath.
How's a jerky, Glyn?
Good man. Not so good.
Oh, right.
What did you say?
It was jerky.
No.
Good nuts.
I feel like all I want to do is sleep.
So, just arrived. Yeah. We found a spot by a windmill with a really nice sunset about to commence. But yeah, we found a nice secluded spot on a public footway. So we're going to set up here and then just be up ready to kind of pack down really early in the morning just in case there's dog walkers and stuff. But yeah, it looks like a really nice spot. So we've just been told by a local that there's a white-tipped eagle in the area, and we're pretty sure that's it. Eagle at sunset. Tonight we're having pork and apple hog roast burgers and some potatoes. And then tomorrow, in theory, we've got chorizo, beans, egg, breakfast. Need a bigger pan by the looks of it.
By the looks of it, we might have to do one of these at a time. Yeah.
Put that in there. Sauce. Spuds are done and good. Burger is done and good. Glyn and a
Small grater.
Tiny little grater. Just making a quick coffee. Coffee and some sugar. And a nice brew kit with milk. Morning. So I had a super comfortable night actually. Kind of went to bed about 10, half 10 I think. And the temperature was starting to drop, so we were both feeling pretty chilly. So got into the tent. I had a test of the new Rab Ridge Raider last night. It's the first time I've used it, and I'm actually really happy with it. There's a lot more room inside than I thought there would be, being kind of just a glorified bivvy bag. And yeah, there's a little bit of condensation, but that's kind of expected with any bivvy bagging, I think. But yeah, really, really good. Yeah, so there's actually enough space inside to keep all the kit just above my head, and still have plenty of room to stretch your legs out. So yeah, really happy with that. But yeah, another gorgeous day here in Suffolk. We ended up kind of getting to about Herringfleet area. So today we're going to carry on, walk through Somerleyton, and then through kind of Colville, Marshes. Hopefully, we'll see how far we get. We might get a bit worn out. We're both pretty stiff today after a long walk yesterday with heavy bags. But yeah, we'll see how far we get. But before that, we're going to pack down, make some coffee, and then make a bit of breakfast. Got some beans, chorizo, and egg to cook up this morning. So yeah, looking forward to that, and another nice day hopefully. Got to say as well, I'm really enjoying the Trangia. I used to use these on Duke of Edinburgh, but I haven't had one for years. But yeah, I've mostly been using a gas stove or been using stuff over fires, but this is just bomb proof. It's like ultra windproof, and just such a great bit of kit. So thanks Trangia. Chorizo, beans, eggs.
There's a heron just chilling out near the bridge. I don't know what that is now.
I think that is the eagle.
Right there. Yeah. There's two.
Yeah, it is one.
Is it an eagle or is it a kite, like a kite?
No, it's not a kite.
It's got black tips. That's definitely an eagle, isn't it? The way that the feathers. So that concludes the first chapter of the Angles Way. We've now finished it in Oulton Broad. I think it's time for a cold, crisp drink.
Yeah, Commodore's just over there, so we're going to go get lemonade, I think. Yeah, join us on the next few stages. We're going to do hopefully 5 trips covering the whole of the Angles Way. So yeah, to be continued.